This year is a very important in relations between the Switzerland and Korea. And this year marks 60th anniversary of diplomatic relations between the two countries. That is why our embassy is doing a lot of cultural activities. Korean kimchi presentation is one of those activities. I want to share my experience with them to make a food kimchi. The students are very energetic and they're very well organized and very well behaved. I was very surprised that they are very interested about making kimchi and they are very good at joining all the participants. And I'm very happy to work with them.
I like kimchi and I wanted to make it. And now I know traditionally how to make it from someone who's been making it all her life, so yay.